Hello, my name is Donna Levette. Have you ever experienced this where you had a day where your God-given purpose and destiny was crystal clear? You could see how the accomplishment of your assignment would bless the lives of many, and you were very excited about it. It was huge, it was big, it was exciting. And then all of a sudden you began to question, do I have the skill? Do I have the knowledge? Do I have the ability to pull this off? And before you know it, you are beginning to feel overwhelmed. I can relate to that. But I discovered something. I discovered how AI, partnering with AI, was an answer to prayer. I was able to accomplish in 7 months what would have taken me 7 years. And I was just so amazed at that. So if you have ever experienced this feeling of overwhelmed, then I would encourage you to not only like my YouTube channel and also to subscribe, but to take a look below and take advantage of my free book on partnering with AI. I believe it's going to be the answer to prayer like it was an answer to mine. Till next time, guys, be blessed.